Hello dear friends, in this short report I want to show you how to do factory reset of the 2024 Ford Maverick infotainment system. If you're looking at the Ford Maverick infotainment system, you see that the small infotainment touchscreen is kind of rather rudimentary. It's not very complex. If you click things around, it's not like you see normally in other advanced cars. Okay, but how to do factory reset on this infotainment system? You look at the infotainment system touchscreen and click on settings. From settings you have different options here. Okay, you can play with all of this, but here's what you do. You look for general settings. Here's the general settings. Okay, click on general settings. From general settings, scroll up until you see reset. Okay, click reset. And here you go. You see Ford Pass Connect reset or master reset. Click on master reset, and from master reset you will see, okay, I just didn't click it. You see this writing. It's very important to know. It says all system settings, including the vehicle's data connectivity settings, will be reset to the factory defaults. All user authorizations will be canceled. All user data will be erased. Your service provider subscriptions may not be canceled at this time. Disconnect all USB and Bluetooth devices before proceeding. I mean, if you disconnect them, you will probably able to keep them. So then you click on continue, and it's starting doing the factory resetting to the factory default. It may take a little while until it finishes it, but it does. Okay, resetting to factory defaults. Logging is already disabled, it says. I didn't connect my phone, that's why it's not saying anything on that. It says vehicle data collection active. Automatic software updates may also be on. See settings to adjust. Okay, it's doing its job now. This is basically how you do the factory reset on Ford Maverick. I'm inside a Tremor version. It's a nice little truck. I like it very much. So this is how you do it. Okay guys, here you go. It's resetting and soon it will finish it. Let's see how the screen will come up. That's the sound from radio. I'm gonna turn it down because I had it already down. Here we go. It's very straightforward, very easy to do factory reset. That's how you do a factory reset on Ford Maverick infotainment system. By the way, while I'm talking about this, I have no idea why they have this space. It's not very deep, but I don't know what you can keep there. What do you think? What can you keep there? This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Oh, here we go. Turn on automatic system updates to receive the latest available in-vehicle software features, enhancement, and security updates. I'm gonna say ask me later. Okay. All right. Have a great day, guys. See you soon in our next report. Vehicle data collection active. Automatic software updates may also be on. See settings to adjust. Yeah, it's I think still doing it, but the main part is already done. This is how you do factory reset of your infotainment system in your Ford Maverick. See you soon in our next report.